The life of the forest, a symphony of birds. Forests, those enchanting realms of nature, offer a glimpse into a world that is both ancient and ever-evolving. Within their emerald embrace, the harmony of life unfolds, and the avian inhabitants take center stage in this enchanting performance. In the Symphony of the Forest, birds are the virtuoso musicians, their songs and stories weaving a narrative that captures the essence of these biodiverse ecosystems. Forests, whether they are temperate, tropical, or boreal, are masterpieces of biodiversity. They house an astonishing array of flora and fauna, but among their most captivating residents are the birds. These feathered wonders have adapted to the diverse niches within forests, thriving from the forest floor to the towering canopy. They bring both grace and melody to the woods, shaping the forest's very character. The diversity of bird species within forests is staggering. From the resplendent plumage of tropical toucans to the elusive camouflaged owls of temperate woodlands, there is a bird species for every nook and cranny of the forest. Some are migratory, traveling vast distances each year to find food and suitable breeding grounds. Others are year-round residents, carving out territories within the woods. Each species has a role to play in the orchestra of the forest. Birds are more than just nature's songsters, they are integral to the ecological balance of the forest. Many of these birds are voracious insect eaters, helping to keep potentially destructive insect populations in check. Woodpeckers, with their rhythmic drumming, not only forage for insects but also create cavities in trees, providing shelter for other animals. Seed-dispersing birds, like the iconic squirrels and nutcrackers of boreal forests, play a vital role in forest regeneration by planting the seeds of the next generation of trees. Predatory raptors, such as hawks and eagles, ensure that the forest's food web remains in equilibrium. The forest is not just a backdrop for these avian actors, it is also a stage for their complex behaviors. Birds engage in elaborate courtship rituals, constructing nests that serve as the backdrop for the next chapter in their lives. Some nest in tree hollows, others in intricate pendulous structures, and yet others create cup-like nests with meticulously woven twigs and leaves. Their songs and displays form the heartwarming overture to the story of life in the forest. However, the forest and its avian inhabitants face challenges in this ever-changing world. Deforestation, habitat degradation, pollution, and climate change threaten their existence. Many forest-dwelling bird species are in decline, underscoring the importance of conservation efforts. These ecosystems are not just the habitat of birds, they are essential to the health of our planet, providing clean air, clean water, and a wealth of biodiversity. The life of the forest is a harmonious symphony, and its most beautiful notes are sung by the birds. From the highest reaches of the canopy to the darkest corners of the underbrush, they bring color, melody, and ecological significance to the woods. Understanding and preserving the life of the forest, with its avian protagonists, is essential to maintaining the health and beauty of our planet. The Symphony of the Forest, with birds as its most enchanting performers, invites us to listen, observe, and cherish the natural world that surrounds us. In the heart of the world's forests, there exists a melodious symphony, a captivating masterpiece composed not by human hands but by the vibrant and diverse avian inhabitants of these lush ecosystems. This symphony of birds is a testament to the marvels of nature, a chorus that fills the forest with life, sound, and color. In this video, we will immerse ourselves in the enchanting world of forest birds, unraveling their roles, songs, and unique contributions to the captivating narrative of the natural world. Forests are home to an astonishing array of bird species, each with its unique role and adaptation within these ecosystems. From the regal bald eagle soaring majestically over North American woodlands to the diminutive warblers flitting gracefully among the leaves, each bird species adds a layer to the symphonic tapestry of the forest. The tropical rainforests, temperate woodlands, and boreal forests house their own enchanting ensemble of avian performers, creating an intricate and ever-changing symphony. The forest is alive with the melodious songs of birds, each species contributing its distinctive notes to the grand symphony. These songs serve multiple purposes, from attracting mates to defending territories and communicating with their fellow forest residents. Whether it's the haunting call of the owl in the deep of the night or the cheerful melodies of songbirds heralding the dawn, the forest's acoustic tapestry is a testament to nature's creativity and complexity. Beyond their harmonious contributions to the auditory landscape, forest birds play vital roles in the ecological overture of these woodlands. Insectivorous birds, such as warblers and flycatchers, help regulate insect populations, preventing outbreaks that could harm the forest's health. Raptors, including hawks and owls, maintain a delicate balance in the food chain by controlling rodent populations. Seed-dispersing birds, like jays and nutcrackers, ensure the forest's regeneration by transporting seeds to new locations. Pollinators, like hummingbirds and sunbirds, aid in the reproduction of forest plants, further enriching the tapestry of life. Birds engage in elaborate courtship rituals, constructing intricate nests that serve as the backdrop for their love stories. From pendulous structures swaying high in the treetops to ground-level cups woven with meticulous care, these nests are the setting for avian romance. Courtship displays, filled with vibrant plumage and melodious serenades, enchant the forest as couples prepare for the next act in their lives. Despite their vital roles and enchanting presence, forest birds face challenges in the modern world. Deforestation, habitat degradation, pollution, and climate change pose existential threats to their well-being. Many species are in decline, emphasizing the urgency of conservation efforts and the need to protect these vital members of the forest symphony. The Symphony of Birds in the Forest is a natural masterpiece that underscores the beauty and complexity of Earth's ecosystems. The melodies of warblers, the soaring arias of raptors, and the mysterious nocturnes of owls all combine to form a harmonious composition that reminds us of the delicate interconnectedness of life on our planet. By understanding and cherishing the Symphony of Birds in the Forest, we contribute to the enduring health and vibrancy of these remarkable ecosystems. In the heart of Earth's verdant woodlands, an enchanting and harmonious symphony plays out, composed not by human hands but by the myriad bird species that call these forests home. The life of the forest is a captivating narrative, and within it, birds take center stage, crafting an extraordinary and melodic tale of existence, adaptation, and interdependence. This article invites you to immerse yourself in this enchanting world, where the avian inhabitants are the virtuosos, weaving a tapestry of beauty, song, and ecological significance. Forests, be they temperate, tropical, or boreal, house an astonishing variety of bird species, each tailored to their unique forest environments. From the majestic eagles that rule the treetops to the tiny warblers that flit through the foliage, the forest stage is set with an orchestra of avian performers. Every species adds its unique note to the symphony, creating a rich and ever-evolving composition that celebrates the diversity of life. The melodies of the forest are carried by its bird inhabitants. Birdsong is not just oral beauty, it serves as a means of communication, from courtship calls that woo mates to territorial songs that announce ownership. Whether it's the haunting hoot of owls in the moonlight or the cheerful melodies of songbirds that greet the dawn, the forest soundscape is a testament to the intricacy and diversity of nature's creations. Beyond their lyrical contributions, forest birds play critical roles in the ecological drama of these ecosystems. Insect-eating birds, like warblers and flycatchers, act as guardians, controlling insect populations to protect the forest's health. Raptors, from hawks to owls, play their part in regulating the forest's delicate food web, preventing the overpopulation of rodents and smaller birds. Seed-dispersing birds, like jays and nutcrackers, are nature's gardeners, sowing the seeds of the forest's future. Pollinators, such as hummingbirds and sunbirds, are integral to the reproductive success of forest plants, adding depth to the ecological composition. Birds within the forest engage in intricate courtship rituals, culminating in the creation of nests. Nesting habits vary widely, from pendulous structures suspended high in the canopy to intricately woven cups cradling fragile eggs. Courtship displays showcase vibrant plumage, melodious serenades, and the devotion that defines avian relationships. These tales of courtship and parenting form an essential part of the forest's narrative. The life of the forest, with birds at its forefront, faces significant challenges in the modern world. Deforestation, habitat fragmentation, pollution, and climate change threaten these vital ecosystems. Many forest-dwelling bird species are experiencing declines. Conservation efforts are imperative to safeguard these remarkable creatures and the ecosystems they inhabit. Our understanding, appreciation, and preservation of the life of the forest are essential to maintaining the harmony and vitality of these intricate ecosystems. The life of the forest, as painted by its avian performers, is a symphony that reminds us of the grandeur and interconnectedness of the natural world. The melodies of warblers, the soaring crescendos of raptors, and the tranquil lullabies of owls all combine to create a harmonious composition that speaks to the delicate balance of life on our planet. By embracing and safeguarding the symphony of birds in the forest, we contribute to the enduring health and beauty of these magnificent ecosystems, ensuring that their eternal melody continues to captivate and inspire. Deep within the heart of the world's forests, a remarkable and ever-evolving symphony unfolds daily, an opus crafted not by human hands but by the countless avian artists inhabiting these lush, wooded domains. The life of the forest is a captivating narrative, and at its very core are the birds, the masterful conductors of this harmonic ensemble, orchestrating a mesmerizing composition of life, sound, and ecological importance. In this exploration, we embark on a journey through the enchanting world of forest-dwelling birds, unearthing their diverse melodies, roles, and the profound significance they bring to the grand overture that is the forest. Forests, whether temperate, tropical, or boreal, are rich tapestries of life, each with its own unique flora and fauna. Among this tapestry, birds emerge as the charismatic conductors of the forest symphony. From the magnificent raptors that reign over the canopy to the inconspicuous warblers that flutter amidst the leaves, the forest hosts a diverse and dynamic orchestra of avian life. Each species carries its unique melody, showcasing the vast spectrum of adaptation and specialization that enables these birds to thrive in their particular forest habitat. The melodies of the forest are woven into its very essence, carried aloft by its winged residents. Birdsong is not merely a beautiful refrain, it serves as a vital means of communication. The forest resounds with songs of courtship, territorial claims, and navigation. From the haunting nocturnal calls of owls to the jubilant serenades of songbirds that herald the dawn, the forest soundscape is a testament to the depth and complexity of nature's musical compositions. Beyond their serenades, forest birds play pivotal roles in the ecological tapestry of the woods. Many are devoted insectivores, diligently patrolling the forest to control insect populations and safeguard the health of their wooded homes. Woodpeckers are both foragers and architects, probing for insects in tree bark and sculpting tree cavities, while also offering refuge to other animals in need of shelter. Meanwhile, seed-dispersing birds scatter the forest's future across the landscape, promoting regeneration and ensuring the continuity of life. The circle is completed by pollinators, such as hummingbirds and sunbirds, which are vital for the reproduction of forest flora. The forest not only echoes with birdsong but is also a stage for intimate rituals. Birds engage in intricate courtship displays, constructing nests ranging from suspended marvels high in the canopy to the cozy cups nestled in the underbrush. These nests are the backdrops to avian love stories, where vibrant plumage and lyrical serenades set the scene for a new generation's arrival. The life of forest birds faces modern challenges, from deforestation and habitat fragmentation to pollution and climate change. As their habitats dwindle and ecosystems shift, many forest-dwelling species find themselves on the brink. Conservation efforts are essential to secure their place in the forest's ongoing symphony and to protect the precious ecosystems they call home. The life of the forest, orchestrated by its avian virtuosos, is a testament to the intricacy and interconnectedness of life on our planet. The melodies of warblers, the majestic calls of raptors, and the soothing lullabies of owls all contribute to a harmonious composition that reveals the delicate balance of nature. By embracing and safeguarding the symphony of birds in the forest, we preserve the enduring beauty and vitality of these remarkable ecosystems, ensuring that the timeless melody continues to captivate and inspire generations to come. The forest comes alive with the sights and sounds of these avian rituals, and their stories are both fascinating and heartwarming. However, as our exploration unfolds, we cannot ignore the challenges that threaten the life of the forest and its avian inhabitants. Deforestation, habitat loss, climate change, and pollution loom as dark clouds over this lush domain, pushing many bird species toward the brink of endangerment. It is our collective responsibility to understand, appreciate, and conserve the life of the forest, especially its precious birds, to ensure the preservation of these invaluable ecosystems. Join us in this immersive journey through the enchanting world of the forest, where birds take center stage in a captivating narrative of adaptation, survival, and interconnectedness. Together, we will unravel the secrets, struggles, and enduring beauty of the life of the forest, as told through the eyes of its feathery inhabitants. The life of the forest is a mesmerizing tapestry of nature's grandeur, a harmonious blend of flora and fauna where every twig, leaf, and breath of wind plays its role in a timeless symphony. At the heart of this verdant realm lies a cast of characters that has captivated the human imagination for centuries, the birds. These aerial wonders are the enchanting voices and vibrant colors of the forest, and their existence is integral to the balance and beauty of this ecosystem. Within the depths of the forest, from the towering canopies to the shadowy underbrush, birds have carved out their niches, each species adapting to its unique habitat and ecological niche. They are not merely inhabitants but custodians of this domain, with roles that extend far beyond their enchanting plumage and melodious songs. Forests are more than a collection of trees, they are complex ecosystems where countless species have evolved to coexist. Birds, as one of the most diverse groups of vertebrates, are vital to this intricate web of life. They play multifaceted roles, from seed dispersers and pollinators to insect controllers and apex predators. For instance, fruit-eating birds help spread seeds, regenerating the forest, while insectivorous birds keep pest populations in check. The diversity of bird species in the forest is staggering, from the iconic eagle to the tiny hummingbird. Each bird species has adapted to its specific environment, developing unique behaviors, plumage, and vocalizations. Their songs and calls fill the forest with a melodious backdrop, serving various purposes, from attracting mates to defending territory. Birds also exhibit astonishing behaviors in their quest for survival and reproduction. Nest building is an art form, with each species crafting specialized nests that range from intricately woven structures to cozy cavities in tree trunks. Courtship rituals, characterized by elegant displays and harmonious serenades, are a testament to the lengths birds go to ensure their genetic legacy. Yet, the life of the forest's birds is not without its challenges. Habitat destruction, climate change, and conserving the life of the forest and its avian inhabitants, we contribute to the preservation of one of the Earth's most precious and irreplaceable threatening their very existence. Forest-dwelling birds, especially those with limited ranges or specialized habitats, are at risk of population decline or even extinction. Conservation efforts are paramount to ensure that the forest continues to resonate with the songs of these captivating creatures. In summary, the life of the forest is a remarkable narrative of survival, adaptation, and coexistence, and birds are its enchanting protagonists. They bring color and melody to the forest, maintain ecological balance, and serve as barometers of the ecosystem's health. Understanding and preserving the life of the forest, particularly its avian inhabitants, is essential to our own well-being and the continuity of the intricate web of life in these magnificent woodlands. The life of the forest is a captivating and intricate tapestry of existence, where every rustling leaf, whispering breeze, and melodious chirp plays a vital role in a complex ecosystem. Amidst this vibrant backdrop, birds are the avian architects of the forest, enriching its symphony with their diverse species, behaviors, and profound ecological significance. Forests, these lush, green domains, serve as bustling habitats for countless bird species. From the towering canopies to the shadowy underbrush, each level of the forest nurtures a unique avian community. This multi-tiered habitat allows for an array of niches, making forests some of the most diverse ecosystems on the planet. Birds are nature's painters, adorning the forest with a breathtaking palette of plumage, from the striking reds of the northern cardinal to the iridescent blues of the eastern bluebird. Their songs, whether haunting calls of the owl or the cheerful melodies of songbirds, create the enchanting soundscape of the forest. Some, like the agile hummingbird, are renowned for their aerial acrobatics, while others, such as owls, epitomize stealth and grace as they navigate the night. Beyond their beauty and grace, birds play an integral role in the forest's ecological balance. Many are voracious insect eaters, helping to control potentially destructive populations of insects and maintaining the forest's health. Woodpeckers, with their percussive drilling, not only search for insects but also create vital tree cavities used by other animals for shelter. The seed-dispersing birds, such as toucans in tropical forests, act as agents of regeneration, ensuring the forest's future. Predatory raptors, like hawks and owls, act as nature's regulators, keeping prey populations in check. Nesting and breeding are intimate parts of a bird's life in the forest. These creatures engage in elaborate courtship rituals, constructing nests that range from simple woven cups to pendulous, intricate structures that hang high above the forest floor. These nests safeguard eggs and chicks from predators and environmental extremes. The courtship calls and displays, such as